Starseed, starseed, starseeds, let's have a chat. If you found this video, you already know that you're a starseed or that you are awakening up to your beautiful starseed path. I myself am a beautiful divine Octurian starseed. My name is Melissa. I am a light language light language facilitator, channel, angelic channel, galactic being of light, and I channel many beautiful divine star seeds, family, galactic beings of light, and we have a message for you. So, what is the message today? The message today is that you are powerful, and you know this. And you know this. You know that you're powerful. But there are parts of you that want to wake up and forget. There's parts of you that are like, today I'm going to forget how powerful I am. Today I'm going to forget how amazing I am. Today I'm just going to forget. But then eventually you remember. And you have this battle, this internal battle of remembering and forgetting, remembering and forgetting. Does this feel, does this connect to you? If it does, drop an 888 in the chat. So this video is to remind you how to not only remember, but continuously remember and amplify that remembrance. I really found my light language and starseed codes in the end of 2020 or the beginning of 2020. And what really helped me master remembering is the continuous use of light language, and light language isn't just for, one particular person. Light language is accessed by anyone and everyone that desires to connect deeper to their soul path. The daily usage of light language allows you to connect to the frequencies that you are. And I'm going to give you an example. So if you know that you are a healer through and through and through, but there's a parts of you that want to forget because that path feels really big, what you do in the morning when you wake up with light language is take your hands, you rub them together, one hand over your heart. I remember that I am a powerful healer today. And then you say it into light language. You say it in light language, or you call in a transmission of light language to help you remember. So it'll sound like this. I choose today. I choose to remember I am a powerful healer. And just feel that. You're probably feeling that right now, right? Because you're receiving these codes. Or it could be something like this. Today, I choose to remember that I am a powerful athlete. Okay, I'm a powerful athlete. So whatever you are desiring to be, the light language helps you code your body every single day. Even if you're like, hey, Melissa, I'm an actor. Okay, let's do it. Today, I choose to remember that I am a powerful actor here on earth. And every day that you do that, you're going to build up your confidence. You're going to build up your confidence. You're going to build up your confidence. And this is why I use light language to not only empower myself by remembering who I am, but also to manifest my reality. So, for example, if you're waking up every day and you're saying, I'm a powerful healer, I'm a powerful healer, I'm a powerful healer, what's going to happen is you're going to receive the most amazing clients ever. And this is exactly what happened to me. As I spoke light language and as I came online, my business took off. I had clients coming out of nowhere, and to the point that I would ask them, how did you find me? Like, how did you find me? Because I was really just starting my social media career. So I didn't have as much. I have a lot out there. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, website. It's very easy to find me now. Yes. But back then, I wasn't out there very much, right? But by me remembering that I was a powerful healer, it was not only, telling my conscious mind, my subconscious mind, my body, my nervous system that it was safe. Keyword safe to be a powerful healer, but I was also creating this magnitude for myself to receive, right? I was becoming a magnet to receive those that were ready to go on the healing journey or building their spiritual businesses or accessing more abundance, because I was magnifying that by reclaiming who I am on this earth. So once again, yes, I'm talking to beautiful starseeds, but starseeds are not just healers. We're coaches, mentors, guides, healers, actors. We are doctors, warriors. We're so many. We're everywhere, right? We are everywhere. We're dancers. We're chefs. We're everywhere, right? We're playing here on Earth, my loves. But the most powerful message that I invite you to take away from this is, oh, oh my God, there's a beautiful blue bird. Oh, I'm not gonna cry. Y'all, every time I do really powerful spiritual work, I feel like birds just show up. When I did my retreat in Costa Rica, in Joshua Tree, in Bali, like, they just show up for the fact that I'm just sitting here in a park and there's no birds around me, and there's literally a beautiful like blue jay. If some of you are birdies too, y'all know when the universe sends you a message like that, I can't hold it back. I have to share it. So thank you, beautiful bird, for hanging out and sharing some love with me and my beautiful community. And thank you for, I feel like there's so much bird magic around. I channel blue avians as well. So there's so many just beautiful bird magic that comes through. And really the biggest message is remembering. I invite you to seek the tools to help you remember how powerful you are and help you connect to these frequencies every single day. Because if you're choosing to connect to these frequencies over and over and over and over and over and over again, that's all you're going to be, is the most expansive version of yourself. So what I'm doing is a community divine offering on November 16th. At 12 p.m. PST, I'm offering a light language masterclass. And this light language masterclass is going to teach you exactly what I'm talking about today. Because Shakatara Kashi, and I want to say this because you're like, Melissa, I don't know if I can speak light language. And I'm going to teach you how to speak light language as well as just use light language to transform you. So you don't have to speak light language. Light language comes in many different forms. It comes in just energy around you. It comes in spoken. It comes in sung. It comes in written. It comes in drawing. It comes in so many beautiful ways. But I want to teach you through this masterclass how to help you remember your confidence, who you are, who you choose to be, and really manifest the highest available timelines. So if you are an actor, a dancer, a healer, a coach, a mentor, a guide, a doctor, a lawyer, whatever you are, and you want to really be the highest version of yourself, then you want to connect to that energetic, right? The energy of it, the energy of being who you are, the energy of trusting that you can be seen in your highest capacity, right? Shurakashi, because the biggest thing, and I've been in the industry of coaching for 10 years, Shurakashi, but the last 5 years I've been really working with energy and spiritual expansion. The biggest thing that I see is the fear of being seen, the fear of, being so large that you're going to lose the people around you, and that's not true. Or being so large that you receive so much money and you're going to lose the people around you, but that's not true. The only things that's going to happen is you're going to become a bigger version of yourself, and the people around you are either going to stay there or they're going to fall away, and the people that are meant to be in your life will always be there. And it's trusting that, right? So if you would like to learn how to master your frequency and manifest your dreams and the bigger version of you by simply using light codes, make sure you're in that masterclass. The masterclass is linked in my bio, It's only $33 beautiful to come in and receive the masterclass. And if you can't make it live, there will be a replay. And also, for even more fun, 2 beautiful souls that are going to be in the masterclass are going to win 2 one-to-one calls with me, so we can even take your path even deeper on a beautiful soul level. So if that floats your boat, then I would love to have you in that masterclass on November 16th. And let me know how you're feeling below. Let me know what this conversation sparked in you as well. And I will tell you, when I found out that I was a starseed and I was an Octurian, I feel like everything clicked. I was like, yes. I went on a rabbit hole. I went on YouTube and I watched everything about being an Octurian, and it only made sense. So those videos gave me permission to go full in and channel galactic